Voters across Wisconsin will have to decide on two constitutional amendment proposals on the upcoming April 2nd ballot. Constitutional amendments in the state have to pass two consecutive sessions in the legislature before it's sent to the voters. The first that Republicans have passed will ask if there should be a ban on private donations and grants being used in election work. It's based on a 2020 report that Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg donated $350 million to a Chicago nonprofit, and some of that money was then shared with Wisconsin municipalities who used it to cover expenses for personal protective equipment and poll worker training in the 2020 elections. The second question asks, should only election officials designated by law be allowed to perform election-related tasks? Now, the League of Women Voters of Wisconsin say those amendments are rooted in disinformation. According to its website, the League says the First Amendment could lead to long lines at polls and longer waits for results. Milwaukee area senators also say reduced funding could mean some polling places come to a close. The progressive law firm says it's unclear how the Second Amendment would redefine current state law. That firm, Law Forward, says the state already has rigorous requirements for election officials, or typically known as poll workers. Poll workers, among other things in the state laws, have to be approved by a municipality from a list of nominees submitted by both major political parties.